Hi all. So let's today look at the table function. How do we create a table and use the functionalities with it? So let's say I have this set of data. Now, firstly, if I want to convert this array of data into a table, I can click within this array and either I can press Control plus L or Control plus T. So if I use Control plus T, it's asking me this is the data, this is the data, the array. My table has header, so first row is the header. I'll check this. If it is not checked, then I'll click. So this is converted into a table. Now, if I click outside, I don't see those table design. Now, if I click inside that table, firstly, I can vary the table styles. Excel provides me a lot of inbuilt table styles, and I can select as per my. I can change the name of the table. If I want to name this as data, I click on enter. So this will be now referenced as a data table. I can resize the table. So let's say instead of 10 rows, if I want 9 rows, you see that bottom mark has come up. Control Z, it comes. Same way, I can remove duplicates. So I can unselect all and select any of the columns. Let's say I want to select item type. There were 3 duplicates found and 6 unique elements. That's how it is. Control Z. Same way, if I want to convert this back to a range instead of a table, convert to range. So now table design is not there. Converted back to normal. Control Z takes. Further, if I don't want a header row, I can remove. If I want a total row, so let's say for this particular one, if I click on this, I get this drop. I can have the count. I can have the maximum value. I can have the minimum. And further, I can have a lot of other statistical things. Same way for this one also, I can have count only makes sense. So this way, I can bring in a total row and utilize it like. Then I can highlight the bandit. I can remove these banded rows. I can highlight the first one. Go last column. Right? I can have banded columns like this, or I can remove the filter button. Now, if I want the filter button, there are 2 shortcuts: Control Shift L or Alt FF. Right? So if I use these 2 shortcuts, I can get the filters or I can get it directly from here. So these are some of the functionalities that we have as part of table design or table workings in. Thank you for your time.